The Estjutaee Heated Glove Liners use a smooth polyester and elastane blend that feels soft against the skin while staying thin enough to slide easily under bulkier winter gloves. A pair of rechargeable batteries delivers steady heat for several hours, and the 3-level control lets you dial in just enough warmth for commuting, light work, or casual outdoor use. Heating elements run across the back of the hand, along each finger, and into the palm, so warmth feels even rather than patchy or concentrated in only one area. Touch-capable tips on the thumb and index finger make it practical to answer calls, check maps, or change music without peeling the liners off in the cold. The stretchy, breathable construction and gentle inner lining give these liners a snug, flexible fit that preserves finger dexterity for tasks like driving or handling gear. The set arrives with the liners, batteries, dual charger, storage pouch, and clear instructions, so you can charge them up and start using them right away without hunting for extra accessories.